Hey there, welcome to video number 3, secret number 2, how to easily acquire highly in-demand skills within 24 hours that you can charge high for. This is me again, Demi, and we are going to talk about information, the second I in the 4 I's method, and we are going to dive deeper and see how can we apply it into your life so you can start and jumpstart your freelancing journey or become a better freelancer, earn more, 10x your income, whatever may that mean for you. This is it. This is video number 3, and without further ado, let us start. What does information mean in the 4 I's method? That means the knowledge or awareness in a particular area that can be used for the advancement of a skill. So this is what the knowledge is for. Knowledge is power, power is knowledge. This is what you can use to actually become, of course, a high quality, highly paid freelancer, right? So let's talk about skills. This is the skills that pay the bills with letter Z para intense. Letter Z para intense. So we have 9 here. We have digital marketing, blockchain, writing and editing, graphic design, web design, bookkeeping, web development, app, and PHP development. And also the last, okay, never mind. The first one is digital marketing, which is a huge one. This is when you are starting to help other people market their things, market their products. This includes Facebook ads, what else? SEO, social media management, things like that, that involves what? Letting other people know what your product is, or what is it really that you can offer, what service you can offer, and etc. So the rest is there. And then we also have the easy skills. So people are saying, well, Demi, I don't know digital marketing, I don't know blockchain, I don't know web design, I don't know any of this. What else can I do? So there are very easy skills that you can, of course, learn only for 24 hours. We have here social media management, virtual assistants, data entry, customer service, and online tutelage. So I did most of these except data entry, and I can tell you that the only thing here and the easy skills that actually pays high is social media management. So in social media management, you can actually earn $300 per month per client. If you have 3 of them, that's paying you $300 every single month. That means that is $40K for you, stable income, because they're going to need it every single month. They need someone who's going to manage their social media every single month. And you only need to work with 3 clients. Imagine that. If you're going to charge $300 per month per client, you only need to work with 3 clients, and that only means you can only work, or you just want to work 2 hours a day. That's very doable. But still, you got $40K right in your pocket every single month, stable, and you know it's coming in. So you don't really need to work yourself off. You don't need to kill yourself just so you can 6 figures or 5 figures, right? You just have to know how to price yourself or what skills to offer. And I'd like to tell you, these skills are easy skills like virtual assistants, data entry, customer service, and online tutelage. Not to offend anyone right there, right now, who is doing these 4, but this doesn't really pay that much. Why? Because it's very easy to replace you. There is a high percentage of replaceability. That means they can just pull someone anytime, any day to do the things you left off, right? So data entry, that's very easy. Customer service, you just answer phone calls, answer their questions. Who doesn't know how to answer questions? That's very easy. Not to offend anyone right there, sorry, but I'm just letting you know. Why is it that you cannot charge so much for these easy skills? Now you're probably thinking, it's hard. It's hard to think about the skills that pay the bills because these are technical stuff. There's graphic design, blockchain, digital marketing. These are things that I do not know. Like, people think it's so hard. People are starting to think, you probably are already thinking like, there are easy skills. Yeah, I can acquire them for 24 hours, but they're not even paying that much. Yes, they're not paying that much, but you have the option to learn the skills that pay the bills, or how I'm talking about it, or how I'm referring to about these 9 skills in this video. You can only choose one and be really, really, really good at it. Why do I think it's easy? The first thing is you are overwhelmed. You are overwhelmed right now. That is why you think it's hard. You are overwhelmed because you think you have to master multiple skills, become jack of all trades, master of none, but actually you just need to choose one specific skill. Become really good at it. You don't need to, oh, I need to learn virtual assistants. Oh, I need to learn social media management, customer service, blockchain, graphic design, web design. I tried to do that. It didn't work for me. That was my very first failure in a freelancing journey. That was when my first year in freelancing journey that I did not have anything to buy food for days because people do not know exactly what I was doing. I was just saying, oh, I can do graphic design, oh, I can do websites, I can do videos, and then nobody knew what was it that I really was doing. Nobody knew what service do I exactly offer. And that's a huge disadvantage. But if you can only master just one skill, become really, really good at it, people would know that you are actually that person. If you become really good at graphic design, become really good at it, master it, become an expert of it, people would know that you are the graphic design person. If you become really good in digital marketing, people would know that you are a digital marketer. Like you are one of the most sought after digital marketer in the world or something like that, right? You just have to master only one skill and that's easy. You don't need to overwhelm yourself with trying to master all these skills and then in return, no one is going to know what you are actually doing, right? So I'd like to leave you with a quote. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. So again, it ties back to our very first video that says it's all in here. It's all in here, folks. If you're going to think that it's hard, you're right. If you're going to think it's easy, you're also right. So it's really up to you and how you perceive things. It's not going to be about how hard one skill is or how easy one skill is. It's all in here. So, what's the decision now, my friend? This is all up to you. Are you going to acquire an easy skill, a hard skill? That's up to you. Master just one skill and be really good at it and become highly paid, or master an easy skill that you can acquire for 24 hours but not get paid as much. So this is something that I would like to leave you. Do your homework and I'll see you in video number 4 to tackle secret number 3.